Hey guys, thanks for clicking on my video. I appreciate it. I'm finally done with these box braids. Just want to give y'all a quick little tutorial slash watch me work type video. But I did give a really good detailed video on exactly how I pull these braids off. So yeah, keep on watching. I really appreciate it. Okay, so here we are doing finishing touches on the triangle box braids. I'm taking my shears and just trimming any stray hairs, taking mousse or foam wrap to set any stray hairs as well. You have to dip those ends in very steamy, boiling hot water to seal the ends. So that's what I'm doing, like so, like that. Yeah, here's the baby hair. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm going to continue uploading videos. Bye. Keep watching till the end.